I have to make this video just the sake of if anyone want to use my configs, especially for this video, I'm just focused on Vim, the Vim configs. So you're going to have something like this. You're going to have a status bar. On top, this will be the buffer, and at the bottom will be align status bar with power line. And also we're telling you that this one is in Git and what the file name and file type, something like this. And also you're going to do something like this. So after you type in this and you press Control, comma for 2 times, Control, comma, comma, and you get this. That's simple, right? This one is a plugin called Emmet. I'll show you how to do this, but first of all, before you can do this, let me close this and I will delete my configs first. I will delete my .vim and vimrc file. So now if I open up Vim, it just looks like the original. I believe at the first time when you launch Vim, you're going to get something like this without plugin and without any configs. You're going to get something like this, but actually nothing wrong with that. If you are professional and you know how to use Vim and you know how to make it very cool after. But if you want to use my configs the previous before, I'll show you. You open up your web browser and then you click at the link below this video. You're going to clone this repo, and I got the script right here. It will be at this section, update 8 August 2022. So I know that so many people knows how to make this, but if anyone still cannot config it like this way, so you just feel free, you go ahead and do this. So now let's clone this repo. I'm going to get the code tab right here and then make sure that you click on HTTPS, copy this URL, and this will download or will clone it to you. Or you can do manually, you can do download right here, download as zip right here. If you don't have Git installed in your machine, just download as zip and extract this file. So when I type in ls, now you will see that Arch Linux my configs is a folder in here. So let's cd in this folder. You're going to see the folder called configs file, cd in that, and type in ls again. You're going to see the configs here is the configs that what you see. This is the configs that I use for Vim right now. What you're going to do is you type in cd and Vim 2022 like this and type in ls. You're going to see setup.sh in here. So now you run this file. It will copy the Vim file to your home folder. Or if you just type in ls-la, you're going to see .vim and .vimrc. You just feel free to copy these two files to your home folder. So either way will be okay, will be work. But if you run the file setup.sh, let me open this file, setup.sh, you're going to see what this script will do. What the script will do is will echo the message to the screen, say that your Vim will be changed, and it will sleep 5 seconds. Now, after sleep 5 seconds, it's going to make the directory into /documents, and the folder name will be old Vim configs, and it's going to create the variable for backup underscore folder because I'm going to use this for later, and also there will be 2 variables here, and it will be checked if there is exit vimrc. If it's your vimrc, then it will be move it to the backup folder like you see here. So this sort of thing you can have a look and just only open it by your text editor. So if you use Linux, you use Arch Linux, you use Ubuntu, whatever. If it's Linux, it will be very easy. But if you use any other thing else like Windows or Mac OS, so you know how to do that, right? All you have to do is just copy .vimrc and .vim folder into your home folder and run the program Vim. Alright, now let's do it. I'm going to, with this script, if you download this Arch Linux My Configs into any other folder, this script maybe show an error because it cannot find the path. So you have to clone this repo Arch Linux _ my configs here in your home folder only. Otherwise, it cannot find the configs file. And the setup script will be show an error. So I just suppose that I am in my home folder. All I have to do is I just go down here, configs file like above right here, and I am going to copy all of this. So I just copy this command and then click copy and go back to my terminal. And then I pass this here. And then I'm going to run it now. But please, before you run this, make sure that the Arch Linux _ my configs, when you clone the repo, you have to clone it into your home folder only. Otherwise, the script will be error. Right? Please keep this in mind. So now when I hit enter, it's going to show the message like this: vimrc by Farouk something, blah blah blah. Right now it's back up your own vim configs to your home folder. That will be your name right here, not my name. It just depends on who's using this. Alright, and now the script is already run and it's exit. Now all you have to do, if you have a look down here, all you have to do is just open your Vim. So you're going to see something like this. If you see this, don't worry about. All you have to do now, you type in colon, the capital P, plug, and I, and then you hit tab. It's going to show plug install right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit enter and this will show up. What this command actually do is just download all the plugin, install and set up into your computer just like so. If you see it finishing done like this, it means it's already done. So what you have to do is you press colon Q, hit enter, and now you have to close this, hit colon Q, hit enter, and reopen Vim again. Now you're going to see your Vim is look like this right now. So to open or to find the file, you actually hit space F and then you're going to find the file in here. I only have one file that not hidden, so I just open the file setup.sh. If you want to see the left panel, all you have to do is press space CT, then the panel will show up, and if you want to open any files, you can do that. So we are now in Arch Linux My Configs folder. So you're going to see that all the configs that I use with this one is Arch Linux that I use now. It will be in here, and you can read from the GitHub at the README file. So to close the left panel, what you have to do is press space CT. The left panel is closed. That's all about my Vim configs on 8th August 2022. This maybe look confused at the first time, but this will not be very difficult for you, even you are noob. Anyway, you can feel free to put your comment at the below of this video if there any error, or you can feel free to send email direct to me if anything that you stuck. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on next one. Goodbye.